Alright, now we'll take a look down line towards the street and see how it looks in that direction. Looks like we got something right there. I'm not sure what that is. Looks like we might be able to just push it down. Well, we didn't get that to go very far. I thought we were pushing it. I guess we didn't push it. You know, there's a couple things in there. You got that right there. That's a piece of plastic. That's going to cause a problem. Between that and that little red thing, I really don't think the red thing is going to be that big a deal. But that other thing, oh, we got that. Did we get that? Let me see. No, we got another one there. Yeah, you're going to have to get those out of there. You got two plastic strips there. This one and the one down here with the red thing. And that one's stuck in the joint. And that one there, I think you can probably just flush those out. But you're going to have to loosen up this one here with a snake or something to get it out of that joint, because it's going to grab paper and you're going to have problems. It's close by. It's right here. You should be able to grab it.